You can quickly replace the sky in DaVinci Resolve in just a few clicks. Add the clip to the timeline and switch to the color page. Select the qualifier tool, then switch to 3D mode. Select the sky. Find Sky Replacement and apply it to the clip. In the first tab, adjust the mask parameters. Go to the Artificial Sky section, enable the sky, and adjust its settings. In this section, you can also add clouds. You can also add the sun here. This feature can significantly simplify the editing process. So to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, subscribe to the channel.